So I'll be making you guys a latte. So one of the things as a barista, what we do is we're used to multitasking. We should be able to talk, steam, pour, do multiple things at the same time. So this is really good practice what you guys are making me do. And of course, when we're pouring our lattes, we try not to shake, because if we shake, halatang kinakabahan. So who gets my heart? So this time we're gonna do a tulip. So what we're doing now is we're steaming the milk to about 60 degrees Celsius, and that brings out the sweetness from the milk. Tapos when we're pouring milk onto coffee, coffee has a very low pH, and then milk has a higher pH, no? So that's why we have to just add a little bit first, so that hindi siya magko-coagulate. And then pour. This is a rosetta. Who wants the rosetta? Tagal na walang practice eh. Ang galing.
Sa pagka